This is a look at multiple time frame analysis of the euro currency. Important analysis in here that Katie is bringing you, of course, because it so relates to the dollar. And she is doing this by referencing our service for our level 3 and 4 members, the cycle low timing tracker. And you're going to just find this really valuable.
Hi, I'm Katie with askSlim. A few months ago, we launched a new tool for our level 3 and 4 members. It's called the Cycle Low Timing Tracker, and its purpose is to call our members' attention to opportunities that may be setting up around cycle lows, both coming into cycle lows and coming out of them. The opportunity that I'm going to highlight today is in the euro currency, symbol /6E. Now 6E is appearing in several places on the cycle low timing tracker. It appears in the cycle timing box and in the bottom pending box for the weekly time frame. That means that it's currently in the weekly cycle timing window and has had enough positive price action to trigger the algorithm to tell us that an intermediate term low is likely forming. It's also in the in sync box, which means that its current daily cycle ends within the weekly cycle timing window. So let's take a look at the chart of the euro currency and I'll show you. So this is a 5-year weekly chart of the euro. These cycle brackets on the bottom are a drawing tool that helps us to identify the cycles. And here is the latest cycle just ending. Now, the weekly cycle timing window is the time period between these blue vertical dashed lines when we expect a cycle low to occur, and we're right in the middle of that time frame and moving up. Now, because this previous cycle was negatively configured, which means that it ends lower than where it began, we do not expect the euro to take out that prior cycle high. The probabilities favor that we will get into this resistance zone up here and then start to have some trouble there. That resistance zone is between about 108 and 111. You can see our projection to the middle of that zone around 109.5, and then if it's stronger than that, we would target the top of the zone at 111. Also, momentum, as represented by our proprietary reversal scout, is still negative. We expect that to start curling up, and we'd like to see it turn positive. Switching over to the daily chart, this is that advance that we saw on the weekly chart. Now the reversal scout on this time frame is showing positive momentum, and the slim ribbon, which is another proprietary momentum indicator that we use on our daily charts, has gone from negative to neutral and about to turn positive. So we are currently in this upper resistance zone between the 61.8% bib and the 78.6% bib. We formed that resistance zone from the previous cycle high and low. And if we can get a mid-cycle or end-of-cycle dip into this rising support zone, which currently is between about 106 and 105, we would consider that a good long-side opportunity for another upside move. Now, of course, as the euro moves higher, these levels will also move higher. The time period around the end of the cycle when we would expect the current cycle to make its low is between June 9th and June 17th for a high probability long side trade in the euro. So that is an example of how to use the cycle low timing tracker to identify opportunities around cycle lows, and it's why it has become so popular with our members. If you'd like to learn more about all of the tools and services that we offer, please visit our website at askSlim.com.
As always, Katie, really great work on that. So thanks for showing that. And that cycle low timing tracker is just a must for people that want to have a good sense around those key lows and how to trade right around them. Great work.